65-year-old Ronnie Botex says the trooper is a hero for saving his life.
Can you tell us exactly what happened today, sir?
So we live?
Yeah, it's live, sir.
Okay, so I'm work here. I mind my business, okay? And next minute, one car coming so fast, boom, and the cop just push me, boom. The cop push me, and then the car take the guy, bill, and the guy, the cop fly, 5 minutes later, the cop land on the ground, beep. Oh my God! I'm saying, oh, the guy's dead. Oh my God, the guy's dead. But he was not dead. It was a miracle. He's still alive because he hit the ground so bad. Beep. I heard the noise. I'm so grateful he saved my life. If the cop was not there, I'm died today.
Thank you very much. Thank you guys for
I'm
tuning
died
in
today. I'm say hi to Sir Bernadette.
Thank you so much, sir.
Sir Bernadette.
Sir, thank you so much.